Hello and welcome to Just the Chords. Today we're looking at Guilty as Sin by Taylor Swift. This song only uses 4 chords, so we're going to go over those chords, and then a few of their progressions, their patterns, how they go together. And then lastly, we'll go through the full song tutorial. Those chapters are below in the description and in the links. Let's start with the first chord. It is a B minor to start off the song. That is B, D, F sharp. B minor, B, D, F sharp. Very important in this piece. Next chord is a G major, G, B, D. Make sure we got that G major chord on lock. G, B, D. Halfway through them. The next chord's going to be a D major, D, F sharp, A. Oh, D, F sharp, A. And the last chord, an A major, A, C sharp, E. A major, A, C sharp, E. The verse pattern just goes back and forth between B minor and G major, like so. Let's start on B minor, 2, 3, ready, 1, 2, 3, 4. Play it twice, 2, 3, then G, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3. Try it again, B. Little more rhythm on the beat, then a G. Keep it on the beat. That's all the verses are, back and forth between those two. Let's try this chorus on D major, 2, 3, it goes D. Look at the pattern, A, then G 2 times. Back to D, 2, 3, 4. Again, then A, see lip, top, kiss, how I long for our tryst, with that ever G. How can I be guilty as? If it goes on to a verse, we go to the verse pattern. If it goes on to the bridge, let's look at the bridge pattern. Starts on A, look at the pattern on the screen. A, G, D, start it on A, go to G, another G, then to D, then to A, then to G, 2, 3, it goes on G, A, D, throw in a B minor, and there's that big drum da-doop, 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 da-doop section, and we get into that final chorus and outro. We know all the patterns. Let's go through the whole song as a full tutorial. We start on that B minor, 2 measures. Here's our beat, ready, play. 2, 3, 4. Set me downtown. G, 2, 3, 4. Then turn it back to B minor. Still going to the wolf, G major, little more rhythm, B minor, 2, 3, 4, G, or mad or wise, ready and chorus, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, back to D, 2, 3, 4, A. bridge. A to G bridge pattern. No chord, what if he's written mine on my upper thigh? Only A, ready, G. One slip and falling D. Outro. And on A. Go through that with me again. Practice makes better. Loved playing with you today. I'll see you on the next video. Play on.